chugga chugga choo choo their food.
Train, hype, train, hype, train, hype, train, hype. I think I have died and I think that I've gone to heaven. This is just so beautiful. Look at all these train with faces. Yes. These are the big boys right here. Absolutely. Yes. 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 Train. Troublesome Junction at the train show. Seeing what sort of good memes we can find here. See what we have over here. I'm looking for a big. Oh, there's a big boy right there. But I saw another one for an even better. Other giving away Thomas the Tank Engine train set. I really like that one. That's a nice one. Let's see. I'm trying to find 30-degree cross-section track for Bachmann Easy Track. No luck so far. Here's some Atlas track over here. Just sold all my Atlas track. Oh, here's some. I'm seeing Easy Track, but it's typically straight track and switches. But that's neither here nor there, I suppose. Oh, here's some. This looks like it's mostly things for decals and weathering your engines. Oh, repair cradles. Excuse me. Here's some O-gauge stuff. Good Pal World's Destinations collects that. I also need to find a terminal too for my Bachmann Easy Track. Oh, there's a Lego layout. That's the Lego Creator set. That's the engine from it. And over here we have a weathering kit. That's nice. Ooh, we got some warships. These are some nice those are some nice boats. Little tugboats though. Little tugboat. Well, I think I've seen basically everything. No, because big boys go for yeah. And I don't see any cross track either, unfortunately. Yeah. Well, come back with an update video of what I buy, I suppose. More trains. I got some, looks like that's Atlas track down there. Still looking for more Easy Track, but no luck. If I can't find them here, I'll probably just turn to eBay. I got Big Boy though, so I'm really happy about that. That looks some good old train with faces.
None of our prices are firm, so if you see anything, please let me know.
Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh, there's Auntie Look, your favorite, Trevor.
She looks thrilled. He just drags you along, doesn't he?
Let's see, Trackmaster 2, a Tony James, a Birdie. There's Buster. There's another Trevor. Your favorite, Auntie. Chuff, chuff, chuff. More steamies. Not seeing very much Bachmann Easy Track though. Mainly just Atlas. Isn't LGB like a, I think it's a German model railway company. I think. It's like G-Star. Oh, here's some. Some Bachmann Easy Track. Let's see.
Oh, you found some treasures.
Hey, how you doing? Chuff, 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 steam engines gruff. That's what I call hard work. This right here is what I call absolute hard work and dedication. This is very impressive. This right here is what hard work leads to. Beautiful, beautiful model trains. For how insanely good this looks, and this is N scale, which is as big as my finger, that's amazing. Look at that coaling yard. That's really nice. Probably gonna eventually do something like that for my lab. Looks like it's for petrol tankers. There. And a goods yard. Look at this long freight train right here. That's very, very cash money. Very nice. Both sides very powerful too. Oh, on to the next. Chugga, chugga, chew, chew your food, spongy boy. What's up, moon doggies? Got some Ertl boys. Got Ertl Purse, and Henry right there. There he is. There's like $3 a piece and a huge, huge bin of train with faces. So yeah, got a big boy here too. I'll showcase those once we get back to Studiopolis. Sad to say goodbye. Goodbye to all of these good memes. A few more buildings over there we can't get in one video, I guess. So after the train show, buys, I got a freaking big boy locomotive. This is the Tyco one, and it's still running and functioning for $70. Yes. And then I got these two Ertls right here that I have been looking for. Ertl Percy and Henry. Now the Henry does need to be clean on his face. He has a little bit of orange stuff. It's not showing up through camera, but he's sort of got stained. But I'm gonna give all these things a clean, service this big boy. Yeah, the Dayton train show. Oh my gosh, well worth it. $7 to get in, and have a lot more money left, so I'm probably going to use that on some more Easy Track for the layout. That's all I got to say, so I'll see you guys on the flip side. What's up, moon doggies? It's Troublesome Junction here, and just doing a quick voiceover just to say, we did it. We passed 200 subscribers. That's pretty freaking awesome, to be 100% honest. It's mainly thanks to the FNAF Lefty video, and a lot of you have subscribed for that. But I hope that most of you are okay with having Thomas the Tank Engine content, because that is my main form of content that I make, is trains and Thomas. Nonetheless, though, thank you all so much for subscribing. I enjoy making videos for you all. That's all I gotta say, so I'll see you guys on the flip side.